In the night, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an acquaintance party makeup tutorial since I asked you guys a week ago kung okay lang gumawa ko ng ganitong klaseng tutorial, and these are the results. So yeah, it's been what, weeks since class started, and some schools organizes this kind of party where they welcome freshman students and new students. Ako personally, kapag may mga ganitong klaseng events, I stick with my friends. Wala akong pakialam sa ibang tao. But the real reason behind this kind of events is that you have to be familiarized with other faces of different department para maging magaan. Hindi, ibang term. Para maging komportable ka sa bagong environment. Kasi, 'di ba, freshman student, yung iba transferee or yung iba galing sa public school. So, alam niyo yung feeling na you will start from a scratch. Alam niyo ba, nung first day of school, nung college ako, umiyak ako kasi yung mga friends ko kasi sa ibang school sila. Tapos naalala ko, lunch break nung first day of school, minute ko yung best friend ko sa mall. Tapos umiyak ako talaga sa kanya kasi wala akong kakilala sa school, wala akong kausap sa room. First time ko mag-commute papunta sa bayan na I don't usually do. Hindi ako marunong tumawid, at alam nyo ba, nawala ako sa mall. High school kasi ako, ang routine ko lang is school-bahay. So, yung school namin is malapit lang sa bahay, so I ride tricycle and not jeepney. So, minsan lang kami pumunta sa bayan. With this whole new routine, masasyak ka talaga eh. We all have different kind of experience on our first day. So, yeah, if you wanna share yours, just comment it down below or message nyo ako, kwentuhan tayo. Because my experience is really unforgettable. Anyway, let's go back to our real reason kung bakit ako nag-film today. Pasensya na kayo guys kasi na-miss ko lang magkwento sa inyo. It's been a month, almost a month since nag-upload ako. Pasensya na kayo guys kasi ang ating filming camera is pabigay na. Ma, kailangan na. Yung mga ganitong klaseng event, may mga team yan. Masquerade, 90s vibe, formal. Let's just assume na ito ay formal event wherein you have to be elegant, yet so simple. For the foundation, I'm gonna combine Sassy Cheek, Moisturizing Foundation, and Everbilena Pro Flawless Finish Foundation. After the foundation, I'm gonna use a concealer to hide my dark under eyes and some pimple marks. for the base of our eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this shade. Yan. Fingertips na lang gagawin.
When the sun goes down, I can't wait.
So, ito na yung final look natin, guys. Thank you for watching. Any comments or suggestions, just comment it down below. Bye!